so excited to see how this thing goes. I have no idea what is this thing. I don't know what's the intention of that. Maybe to position the pod, but if anyone knows, please let me know in the comments. And we're about to stick it with a bunch of adhesive and put it here. So when you have no clue on how to do this thing, the try and error could be expensive. We just spent 25 bucks in that 3M adhesive and I did it wrong, it didn't work. So mercedessource.com webpage, he has some wonderful YouTube videos that I hope you all watch. Let me show you what's in this box. Paintbrush and gloves, yep. The glue from Grab Again. Eso lolo. And if you enjoy the content, consider subscribing, as I'm planning of doing a lot of videos bringing this car back to life.